Technology. The application of scientific knowledge to the practical aims of human life, from electronic ways of computing to today's smartphones and smartwatches. It is estimated that around 65% in the whole world has access to these technologies. But is that it? How does it affect our lives? How do these tools and techniques revolutionize our society? Technology is everywhere. From education, where technology infuses classrooms with digital learning tools such as computers and handheld devices. It helps build 21st century learning skills and increases student engagement and accelerates learning. Technological innovations have greatly shaped agriculture throughout time. From the creation of the plow to the GPS-driven precision farming equipment, humans have developed new ways to make farming more efficient and grow more food. For the transportation, with the use of technology, people are able to get to more destinations more efficiently and quickly. Technology also has deeply affected the global economy, and its usage has been linked to marketplace transformation, improved living standards, and a more robust international trade. In medicine, the use of technology increases provider capabilities and patient access while improving the quality of life for some patients and saving the lives of others. Technology has changed how we also entertain ourselves, meet each other, and consume all types of media. And not only that, technology shapes the way we think and change the nature of knowledge, how we perceive the world around us, and change the way we learn and acquire new information. Technology helps us unlock the unknown and serves as the key to a lot of new possibilities and opportunities in today's digital age. It is estimated that around 8 out of 10 middle-skilled jobs requires digital skills, and that's around 82%. New roles are emerging all the time. Just think about the jobs that today that didn't exist 10 years ago. Jobs such as a social media consultant, big data analyst, and 3D printing engineer. Yes, it's true that technology makes our life easy. The gadgets that we have now helps us save time and be more efficient, but there are clearly both pros and cons of technology. The fact is, it is important for us to learn and understand technology. It's become part of daily lives for all the people and is necessary in most situations, especially for when we're older and we're getting jobs. However, technology use must not be excessive. Extreme technological use can cause all sorts of problems, both socially and physically. It is important for us to understand that yes, technology is an amazing thing, but at the same time, it should not be used all the time and we should not be overly dependent on it.